I'm back with another fall video thanks to a very sweet subscriber. Tracy, this one is for you. Well, hello there, beautiful people. This is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning. And if you are new, welcome to you as well. This video is a part of the Napkin Challenge hosted by Sarah from Sunflowers and DIYing, but I'll talk more about that further in the video. Now guys, I only have one DIYs or two DIYs for you that I'm going to be doing as one. I picked up these rolling pins. It's funny they call them rolling pins, but they're not actually round. But I picked these up from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up 3 of them and I used one already. You'll see that at the end. So I'm not going to be doing much with these. I'm just showing you how I decoupaged the other side, because I'm going to leave that side as is. So I removed the tag and then sanded it down, prep it for painting. Like I said, I'm working on both of them at the same time. So this is just going to be one DIY or 2 DIYs in one. So after I sanded them down, I'm going to tape down the sides and the pins because I don't want to get any paint at all on those. So initially I decided to paint the back of the green one with Waverly Moss and the back of the white one with Apple Barrel acrylic white paint. And the moss was pretty close to the paint on the front. But in hindsight, and you'll see that further on, because I wanted the front and the back to be the same, right? So that's why I chose the moss. And the moss was pretty close in terms of the same color. So I gave it 2 coats. And I did 2 coats for the white one as well and let them dry properly. Guys, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy the content that I bring you today. And if you are out and about and you see these pins, grab them because you can definitely decoupage the reverse side using your napkins. Now after it dried, this is a green one. This is what it looks like. And this is the white one. This is what it looks like. This napkin I got from the Christmas tree last year, and this is so pretty. So I'm trying to decide how I'm going to put that down. And this napkin I also got from the Christmas tree shop. Isn't this beautiful? I love the colors. So here I am just lining up the green one with this napkin to see whether or not it looks better with the green or with the white background. And I think it looked better with the white background, and so I had to change the color from green to white, so I had to paint that out. But we're gonna work on this one first. So here I'm just trying to see how I'm gonna get the give thanks on there. I do want to keep some of the borders. I didn't want all of it to spread across like you see me have it there. I didn't want that. I wanted the give thanks, so I'm cutting that out. And actually, now that I'm looking at it, these 2 colors, the moss and the orange, are actually the colors that I used for my wedding. And guys, I designed everything for my wedding. From the save the date card down to the thank you card, everything. It was Christine's one-stop shop. I also want the border. I wanted it to go right across just like you see here, but then it wouldn't allow me to place the give thanks down because I needed some of that space at the bottom there. So I'm trimming it down close enough, trimming off the excess white. Tracy, I know you're going to love these. And not just Tracy, anyone who are still doing fall DIYs, this is so simple. You just grab some of those rolling pins from the Dollar Tree, grab some napkins. It can be any fall or harvest napkin that you have, and just decoupage the other side. Or if you want to do Christmas, so you have fall on one side, Christmas on the other side, that would be great as well. And if any of you guys decide to do that, you can look me up on Instagram, send me pictures, email me pictures. I'd love to see it. So now that I have those cut out, you notice that I also cut out a piece for the other side. I'm now applying the napkin with the Mod Podge, and you want to make sure that you remove the extra ply from the behind. And I'm using as little Mod Podge as possible. I don't want it too sloppy, or I don't want too much on there, if you understand what I'm saying. Because I don't want the napkin. The napkin is very thin and I don't want it to start bubbling. So this is the napkin challenge hosted by Sarah from Sunflowers and DIY. Originally napkin exchange challenge, where we would send napkins to another crafter and they craft with whatever we send them. But what we have been doing recently is just using what we have in our stash. We have a group of talented crafters on the playlist. Please make sure to visit Sarah's channel when you get done watching my video, as well as check out the playlist. I'll link that in the description box below for you, as well as tag that in the comments. If you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And we're done with this side. So cute. Now on to the next rolling pin. For this one, I'm cutting out the pumpkins close as possible. This one I didn't have a lot of room on here because the pumpkins were a little bit bigger than the other one that I just finished. And I'm also cutting out the harvest blessing. Of course, I want that on there because any kind of blessing is always good. Whether it's harvest, whether it's Christmas, whether it's Easter, blessings are always good. So I cut that out. And now guys, you see why I had to change the moss to a white, because the green was too dark. So to prevent that, guys, don't use the moss. Go ahead and use white paint, just like the white one. Just paint both of them white if you're doing two. And just follow the same steps like you did for the one before, and you're good to go. And once I had them down, I took the emery board and I'm just filing off the excess. And then to reactivate the Mod Podge, I'm using a piece of parchment paper and my mini heat press. I love this mini heat press so much, it saves me a lot of time. I have a link in my description box below if you're interested in getting that. And once again, friends, if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoy budget-friendly content like this. And if you do, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and share as well, because it does help the YouTube algorithm to suggest my video to more viewers like yourself. Alright, so now we're done with that. It's now time to remove the tape. I love removing tape. I love the big reveal per se. So I removed the tape, and then whatever little excess napkin was hanging over, I sanded that off, trimmed it up, and now we are done, guys. Well, this one needed a little bit more heat. So I went back in with the heat press and just secured that and just touched it up with a little more Mod Podge, and we're good to go. And here they are done. Or so I thought. While I was getting ready to put the ribbons on, I looked at the green one and think that the orange didn't look too nice on it, so I decided to paint that out with the white paint. Dried it with some heat, applied some Mod Podge to seal that. I took a baby wipe and I just cleaned off whatever little glue or paint that was hanging off. clean them up nicely. And now I'm ready to glue on my little bows that I made from these gingham ribbon I received from BB Craft, and I made a green one and an orange one, and I'm gonna glue those on. And here they are, guys. I love them. Now for the final reveal. And there you have it, guys. Two little fall rolling pins that I decoupaged with napkins. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of these? I love them, absolutely love them, and they're my favorite colors too. Don't forget to check out the playlist as well as Sarah's channel down below. And if you love budget-friendly content like this one and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so before you leave. And I'll leave this video right here for more fall inspiration as well as this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye.